Haldia is located 50 kilometers southwest of Kolkata in West Bengal and is a major seaport and industrial belt. Haldia Development Authority has envisioned creating a world-class infrastructure to help industry to perform better, and Philips has partnered with HDA by providing environment-friendly and energy-efficient LED street lighting solutions.
Haldia basically is an industrial town. We have a good port. We wanted to convert this entire industrial town into a prominent and well-known place, as well as to create workful infrastructure which can help the industry to perform and people to utilize. So basically to highlight the area into a better industrial town. That was the basic idea of lighting this entire industrial region. Development Authority, when it goes for street lighting project, we end up incurring a lot of recurrent expenditure. For example, like electricity bill. Secondly, repeated repair and maintenance. Third, we wanted to introduce environmentally safe as well as modern lighting system within the region. So we heard about LED lighting, which is environmentally acceptable, cost effective and less maintenance liability. When we decided that interior market areas of rural region, we will be putting the street lights, we thought of major markets which are located along the state highway, that is SH4. State highway is one of the busiest roads, mainly because all the state transport buses, most of the small vehicles move over that. Sometimes it acts as an alternate road. Otherwise, normally it is a established bus route. People movement basically depend upon the state highway. So it's a very vital road. So we identify few regions, that is one at Nandakumar, then Maishadal, then Chaitanyapur, Sutahata. All the markets are located along the SH4. So there, since this is state highway, we decided we will go for A2 category or slightly better than A2 category. We did lighting with the product, LED light product, which can give lux level slightly better than A2.
The main requirement was that the lighting should be very good. It should be reliable, maintenance free, but at the same time it should be very cost effective in terms of running cost. So optics has always been one of the specialty of Philips. So combining this with LED, we were able to achieve very high spacing with the required value of light level and uniformity. And this resulted in a lower investment cost in terms of the poles required, in terms of the number of points required, and thus a continuous low running cost. The fixture that has been used is Greenline Extra. This is the first installation of Greenline Extra in India.
Philips was chosen because of the cost effectiveness which they have shown in the tender. They emerged as L1. We are extremely satisfied with the lighting system which we have placed in, and we are quite happy that it has really given better result. Haldia Development Authority is very much pleased and happy to work with Philips. We hope that in future we will be working with Philips and we can produce some quality and excellent infrastructure.